All right, you guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to do a breakdown of the trade that I took last night in my Discord. If you want to see, we have my Discord right here. I was calling buys originally because overall I am bullish on USD CAD. And then I saw a little kind of breakout right here, and I'll go over that right now. So I was looking at the charts actually a little farther back. I entered an original sell about right here because I saw a supply zone right here. I saw that supply zone. I saw a break of structure from all three of these break of structure from right here, and right here. These lows right here, they all got broke by some very strong bullish candles. So I kind of knew that, price was going to be bearish for the evening until overall we did some retracement because we did see a lot of gaps right here that needed to be filled. And then as you see, this top orange line right here is a trend line. We saw 1-2 touches, and then I was kind of waiting. This green box right here is a very strong 1-hour support resistance zone. So I was just kind of waiting to see how price was going to react off that. As you see right here, I had already had that drawn up. And then we saw price coming up. And it touches it perfectly right there. Here, I'll even delete this one. Price touches the supply zone perfectly. Beautiful reaction. And honestly, I did get in aggressive, even though, price is all the way down here, but I did not wait for the break of candle. Literally would have been, not even a pip. So I was like, you know what, I'm just going to hop in. It was a beautiful rejection. Price is obviously bearish at this point. So I hopped in. And then TP got smashed right here, just went for a 1-to-1. But I did see on the 15 minutes, I saw price, really break out of here with a lot of bearish momentum. And then once price, kind of rewind it, it's obviously more clear in the live market, but we'll see kind of like a little bounce back on this trend line, and then it flipped bearish. So this wick came up, retested it, and once it flipped bearish, I entered a sell. And then as you see, price did get us taken out right here. And I think it's because we have a 4-hour supply up here that didn't get taken. We also have liquidity right here. We have liquidity right there. So price literally taps it perfectly, rejects it beautifully. Could have entered another short right here, but honestly, I'm kind of transitioning to New York session. So, but this setup was really nice. Could have entered the break of candle right there, and you're in, and then TP would have got smashed. The overall play definitely was during New York, though. It was a beautiful, beautiful buy opportunity. Like I said, we were bullish, or I am bullish, overall on USD CAD. We also have, if you see right here, we have 1, 2, 3 touches right here. We have 1, 2 touches right there. So we're in kind of a wedge right here. And then price, this was right when this is crazy, especially for USD CAD. Right there, touches it perfectly, like literally to the pip. That is crazy. Could have entered a buy right here. Just watch how insane this is. What time is this at? 5:15. I think news came out 5:30. So you could have, aimed for up here or all of these supply zones, these higher time frames uh, um, supplies, and then just watch this. This is nuts. In profit, in profit. Look at that. Literally within 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 minutes, you would have caught 16%. And if you held throughout all these, you could have got almost 28%. That is so crazy. And look at this. This is about to get to the live market here pretty soon. Like, what? That is so crazy, you guys. CPI did something crazy. 138 pips just in this New York session for USD CAD. That's crazy. USD CAD does not move that much, honestly. Like, my TPs are typically 20 pips at most for USD CAD, and this was 100 and almost 40 pips. That is crazy. Yeah, I just kind of wanted to do a breakdown. I got one win and then one loss, so kind of a break even night for me. I really wish I was up for this buy right here, because honestly, this is ultimately what I was waiting for. I was waiting for this zone to get touched because of the trend line, a demand zone. I mean, higher time frame is bullish. Everything was in confluence, and that's all right. I just don't wake up at 5 a.m., not yet at least. So I'm working on that. Yeah, I hope everybody was profitable today. If you guys did trade news, kudos to you if you caught this banger trade. Literally, TP would have got smashed right now. Literally right now. That is so crazy. Might be looking for sells at this point because all of this needs to be filled in. All this needs to be filled in. So we'll see though. Kind of expecting maybe price to consolidate here and then during London session drop. But yeah, like I said, we'll see. Thanks for tuning in, guys, on the breakdown for USD CAD, and we'll see you guys in the next video.